The next problem is, if y is equal to under root sec x minus under root cosec x, then dy by dx is equal to, again question mark, that is what is value of dy by dx. Now we have to give on here again 4 options. Option number first, under root sec x into tan x, under root sec x into tan x upon 4. Second option B, under root cosec x into cot x upon 4, under root cosec x into cot x upon 4. Sorry, no, this is correct, not correct. Under root sec x into tan x upon 4 minus under root cosec x into cot x upon 4. First option. Second option is under root sec x into tan x upon 2. Under root sec x into tan x upon 2 minus under root cosec x into cot x upon 2. Third option is option C, under root sec x into tan x upon 2 plus under root cosec x into cot x upon 2. And option D is under root sec x into tan x upon 4 plus under root cosec x into cot x upon 4. Okay, these are the 4 options. Now to see here, all options are approximately similar. Okay, we have to choose correct option here. For that purpose, we have to find the derivative of this composite function. Now we know that, again we can write in rough page, derivative of y dy by dx and derivative of under root sec x. We use here addition rule, subtraction rule indirectly. Y equal to u minus v. Derivative of y equal to u minus v is dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. That is, we have to find derivative of this function and derivative of this function separately. That is, derivative of under root sec x. This is composite function. Derivative, suppose this sec x is f of x, derivative of under root f of x is 1 upon 2 into under root f of x into f dash of x. That is, we can write here 1 upon 2 into under root sec x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x minus again derivative of under root cosec x 1 upon 2 into under root cosec x into derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, this is the derivative of this function. Now we simplify this here, that is dy by dx is equal to, now this sec x can be written as in the form of under root sec x into under root sec x. 1 under root sec x upon under root sec x get cancelled, remains only here under root sec x into tan x upon this 2. Okay, here minus into minus plus, cosec x can be written as in the form under root cosec x into under root cosec. Under root cosec x upon under root cosec x get cancelled, remains here only under root cosec x into cot x upon 2. Okay, now this is the correct answer. Which option is correct here? This option number C. that is under root sec x into tan x upon 2 plus under root cosec x into cot x upon 2. Okay, now in next example here, next question, if y is equal to e raised to x square into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, then dy by dx equal to, again question mark. Now here given function is a product of two functions and again this is a composite function. Now we have to use here product rule and composite rule also. Now first we write here options. Option number first, 2 into e raised to x square, 2 into e raised to x square into in bracket 2 plus x square, 2 plus x square. Option B, e raised to x square into in bracket 2 plus x square. Option C, 2x into e raised to x square into in bracket 2 plus x square, 2 plus x square. And option D is x into e raised to x square into in bracket 2 plus x square. Okay, all these options are approximately similar. Now we have to choose correct answer here. Now first we find derivative for this composite function by using product rule and composite rule also. We know that derivative of y, dy by dx, we have to find value of dy by dx here. Now we use here product rule, e raised to x square as it is into derivative of this function 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is 2x. We write here 2x only. Plus second function as it is 1 plus x square into derivative of e raised to x square. This is a composite function. Suppose x square as a f of x, derivative of e raised to f of x is e raised to f of x into f dash of x. Therefore derivative of this function is e raised to x square into derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. We can take here common, e raised to x square into 2x, here also e raised to x square into 2x. Taking this term common here, e raised to x square into 2x into in bracket, here remains 1, here remains 1 plus x square. That is, we get here 2 into x into e raised to x square, 1 plus 1, 2 plus x square. Okay, here also answer option number C. Okay, 2x into e raised to x square into in bracket 2 plus x square. This is the correct answer. Now we see next example. The next example is if y is equal to log of in square bracket under root 1 plus cos x, under root 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Then what is the value of dy by dx again? Then dy by dx is equal to question mark. Now we write here options. Option number first, sec x. Option second, minus sec x. Option third, C, cosec x. And option D is minus cosec x. Okay. Now we have to find correct answer here. Which answer is correct? For that purpose we have to find the derivative for this function y equal to log of under root 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Now here first we simplify this function. We know that formula for 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. Formula for 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, right here y is equal to log of in bracket under root 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2, and 1 minus cos x means 2 sin square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. Now again y is equal to log of here 2 get cancel. Cos square upon sin square. Cos upon sin means cot. Cot square x by 2 under root cot square x by 2. Now this square and square root get cancelled. Remains only cot x by 2. That is, we get here y is equal to log of cot of x by 2. Okay. Then we have to find the derivative for this function. This is again composite function. We find derivative of y dy by dx and derivative of log of cot of x by 2. Suppose this cot x by 2 is f of x, derivative of log of f of x is 1 upon f of x, that is we can write here 1 upon cot of x by 2 into derivative of cot x by 2. Derivative of cot of x by 2 is minus cosec square of x by 2. Okay. Now by simplifying this we can find correct option here, that is dy by dx is equal to, now minus sign is there, minus 1 upon cot x by 2 means cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2, cos upon sin. Okay, into this minus cosec square x by 2 can be written as in the form cosec square x by 2 means 1 upon sin square x by 2. Okay, now this sin x by 2, here 1 sin x by 2 cancel. Before that here derivative, we check the derivative for this function. Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon cot x by 2, log of f of x 1 upon cot x by 2 into derivative of cot x by 2 is minus cosec square x by 2 into, we have to find derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is, we can write here 1 by 2. Now remains only dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into this sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. And we know that 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 means sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon sin of 2 into x by 2. Now this 2 get cancelled, we get only minus 1 upon sin x, and 1 upon sin x is minus cosec x. 1 upon sin x means cosec x. That is, our answer is option number D. dy by dx is equal to minus cosec x. Okay. Now we have to simplify first here this function and then we'll find derivative for the composite function. Now we see next example.